Welcome friends, thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I am here at the Savannah Center, which is located right off of El Camino Real Drive here in the northern part of the Villages. And there has been some recent talk regarding golf cart safety. Welcome friends. Some of the scuttlebutt and debate recently in the Villages is regarding golf cart path safety. And years ago, the Villages opted to remove these golf cart speed bumps as you enter the tunnels. There are some locations in the Villages that continue to have the speed bumps, like this location here. You do see the black and the yellow stripes. That is a speed bump that is designed to slow the golf carts down before they enter the golf cart tunnel. And there has been recent talk in the Villages about golf cart safety, and they want to reinstall these speed bumps in most of the areas of the Villages, when a few years ago they recently removed those speed bumps. So there's a better, closer look of the speed bump. They do want to now put back those speed bumps in other areas of the Villages in an effort to slow golf carts down, because they are having a lot of golf cart accidents and close calls, especially when you enter golf cart tunnels. Welcome friends, thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I am here at the Savannah Center, which is located right off of El Camino Real Drive here in the northern part of the Villages. And there has been some recent talk regarding golf cart safety in the Villages. Recently there was a discussion among residents on how to improve safety on the golf cart paths. One of the things they talked about was to reinstall speed bumps as they enter the golf cart tunnels. Recently, speed bumps were removed from golf cart paths because residents were complaining that the speed bumps caused damage to their golf cart and it was uncomfortable to drive over. And a few years ago, they elected to remove speed bumps from the golf cart paths. Recently, there was a meeting, and residents were now bringing up the idea of reinstalling speed bumps to ensure golf cart safety here in the Villages. I just wanted to show you some of the unique golf cart paths that they do have in the northern part of the Villages, and what you should watch out for to ensure your safety driving a golf cart. Here in the north, this is one of the few areas that I know of that has one-way golf cart paths. And if you're not watching your signs closely, you might enter a golf cart tunnel going the wrong way. As you see here, you see a one-way do not enter sign right there. And that pathway, golf cart path, leads down into a golf cart tunnel that goes underneath El Camino Real Drive. And if you're not watching your signs closely enough, you might drive down that tunnel or that path to the tunnel, and you might have a head-on collision with a golf cart driving north. So you need to proceed with caution in the northern part of the Villages for sure, because what you need to do in order to get down to that golf cart tunnel is you need to take this path, the golf cart path, and go around, just like that golf cart over there is about to do. And you turn and you come down the tunnel, down the ramp to the tunnel on the other side. I will take a drive through there and show you what I mean. You do see a one-way do not enter sign because this is the exit from the golf cart tunnel. And in order to get down to the golf cart tunnel, you need to drive around and then enter the golf cart tunnel from this side. So here is the path to the golf cart tunnel. This is tunnel B5, located on El Camino Real, and this is a one-way down to the golf cart tunnel. And you will see this golf cart tunnel has a speed bump at the end of the entrance. Right there is your speed bump, friends. Those are the speed bumps that are recently in the news that some residents are calling for these speed bumps to be put back in. Most of your golf cart accidents or incidents do happen while you're entering or exiting a golf cart tunnel. And some residents feel that if you put these speed bumps in, it will slow the drivers down when they enter and exit golf cart tunnels, and it will increase golf cart safety. Here we're driving underneath El Camino Real, and you do see that the exit is also a one-way exit. You need to keep right. You cannot enter and exit that way. You need to exit by keeping right and going up this way. These are very unique golf cart paths here in the northern part of the Villages. And just to give you an idea, friends, of where we are, that is where we are. Right off of El Camino Real in the Villages, Florida. So be aware, friends, there is a group of individuals who meet regularly in the Villages to discuss golf cart safety. And they are meeting with representatives of the Villages Administration Office to discuss how they can make these golf cart paths more safe. Here we are entering the tunnel again. You do see the speed bump located at the bottom of the tunnel. And now we have a group of residents who would like to see these big speed bumps reinstalled to help ensure golf cart safety. Here again, you're exiting the tunnel. It says keep right. They even have a speed bump that prevents you from turning left to go the wrong way. You can only exit the tunnel by going this way. Thank you for liking my videos, friends. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I just hope everybody is safe when you drive your golf cart on the golf cart paths. Please be aware and pay attention, especially if you're driving your golf cart in the northern part of the Villages. That is your Savannah Center, located here on the corner of Buena Vista Boulevard and El Camino Real. That is your roundabout. Take care, friends.